What a great week! Service Alliances and Captivator partnered to bring VR aviation training to the NBA in Las Vegas, Nevada.
With the VR, we do get that experience of at least seeing what it's like, even if it's not hands-on. And eventually, when we do that hands-on work, we'll know right away, hey, I felt it go this way, I know how to readjust, or I know to watch out things exactly like the VR showed us.
Business aviation is all about innovation, and who embodies that more than Shark Tank's Damon John, who headlined Wednesday's keynote address.
Collaboration creates innovation.
Thank you so much, NBAA.
Collaboration creates innovation. The collaboration between Service Alliances and Captivate AR has created some custom VR experiences in aviation. First is an aircraft towing experience, where the students must choose correct persona protection equipment, and then the correct tug or caddy for the appropriate aircraft. The experience can also be customized with a digital twin of your requested aircraft and tug equipment. Another business and general aviation virtual reality experience is fueling an aircraft. The VR experiences begins with choosing the correct personal protection equipment required on the ramp. This experience can be customized with your own specific training curriculum, including your own logos, aircraft, branded fuel truck, and digital twins, or copies of your hangar, FBO, ramp, and aircraft. It is up to you and your training team's imagination. Our instructional designers will work with your training team to create a customized training experience for your line service, maintenance, customer service, or cruise. Or use our ready-made generic versions. Join the VR training revolution in business and general aviation. Contact us today at www.captivator or www.servicealliances.com for innovative and engaging training experiences. Thank you for watching.